Hey everyone, check out the KRSEC ultralight air suspension fork for your mountain bike. It features a sturdy aluminum and magnesium alloy build with a smooth 120mm travel. The fork includes adjustable rebound and a manual lockout for versatile riding performance. It fits 27.5 and 29-inch wheels using a standard 9mm quick-release axle. Installation is straightforward, and it works great for XC and all mountain trails. Upgrade your ride today and experience better control on every single off-road adventure. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.